Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. Consider subscribing. Show like, show love, show share it all. I hope you have a good time enjoying the video. Let's get rolling. Can you hear me? Oh, that traffic noise. I just love riding in the bike lane. Man, we all do it. We all really do it. Oh, yeah. This is what we love to do. What can I say? But look at that over there. That is a painting for sure. A little backlight on the shot, and you got a wonderful picture getting color to the sky. That is really dark in person, but the camera makes it look super bright. DJ super bright. The DJI Osmo Action 4 has been out for a good month and is doing quite well. Yes, indeed. They had a couple of updates, and they're changing things around in the updates that some people may or may not like. The dimming, and when you plug into the computer, they don't want the OTG connection screen to be on. Get rid of it if you don't want it to be on. Just leave the green LED, and yeah, we won't have a problem. But when it starts to dim down and you forget that it is on, some people say, oh, my camera gets hot. And DJI ignores, won't answer, let it go by. Even on their Facebook social media page, they chose to ignore the problem and issue that some think it is. Many don't answer. A lot of them don't care. Do you care about an issue? You bought a camera, but you can't use it because you don't have a smartphone. How many people in the world don't have a smartphone? They're a good number. How are you able to use the camera if you don't have a smartphone and you got a DJI that you can't activate or update the firmware? Well, DJI locks you out. It is not their problem if you can't get a smartphone. It is a mobile product, meaning that you have to have a smartphone to use the DJI at the first time of owning it. Once after that, who cares about an update and who cares about a smartphone? We all do. If you purchase it from DJI, can you talk to customer service to have it activated at the shop? Because all they care about is after sales. But if you went to a brick store, for example, like a Best Buy in the North American region, you can ask the salesperson to activate and register it for you. With DJI, well, you kind of like could be on the first firmware and not worry about updating after that. You won't have any of the issues I mentioned prior. Oh yeah, but if you want to update with the computer, GoPro, you can. Go get a GoPro and you won't have that problem. But I'm going to hear people say, well, I don't have a computer and all I got is a smartphone. And they do a lot of editing through the mobile. Well, there are different people for different things out there. We all do things a little differently than others. The lights are on. And there we are. We got all the lights up ahead. You see all the lights. Yeah, nice shot indeed. Yeah. We do what we want. We don't worry about things. And off we go. And that's what we do with the camera. I can see 1, 2, 3. Man, there's a lot of air traffic in the sky close by. Sleeping on the sand. Yeah, man, we do it all. Everything's all out here for you. So yeah, I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot on this episode. If you want to see a continuation of this video, stop on by to the next vlog and we'll continue on. And on that note, I'm Fish. Catch you later.